This is Dusty Earth again, and we're going to be working on a knife, so to speak, a knife. It's actually going to be a tool. So we'll get going with it and we'll see what we can accomplish. Okay, now we're going to mark it to where I'm going to cut the shape of the tool. Okay, you can see the shape. It's going to be like this right here, and this will be the handle. So it's just going to be more like a straight, and it's going to have something called a chisel grind on it. Instead of like a regular knife, it's just going to have one edge, and it takes a special way to sharpen it, and you never ever sharpen it the wrong way, because if you do, you wreck it. Well, you won't wreck it, but you'll have to file it back a ways. Now this is going to take some time, so you might just as well, we'll get started in it. I have been negligent in not telling you to wear your safety gear, and that's what I'm putting on is my safety gear, because it is important. Well, we've got this roughed out. This is enough of a handle to get two hands on, which is what I was after. It's not a full two hands, because it would become too unwieldy with the length of it. But this is where the edge will be on this part. And it's a tool to, not just for chopping, but for constructing things, for making shelters and whatnot.